Hello guys, so August 21, 2023 today, and what happened in history. It's our new series. So here first I'll show you a picture, a map. This is you can see which is the sea. This is the Baltic Sea, and the Baltic Sea has some countries bordering that is important to you. Recently I showed you Mediterranean Sea also. These are all expected questions in upcoming prelims and other exams. So the bordering countries, you should know that Sweden is there, Finland is there, then this Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, which you see on the right side, that is all the Baltic countries. Okay, those three, and then Poland is there, Germany is there, Denmark is there. Okay, and Norway you can see in the other side of it. So Baltic Sea is surrounded by these many countries, and also above Estonia you can see a Gulf of Finland. You can see left side of Finland a Gulf of Bothnia. So these kind of things, the straits, gulfs, and canals and all is very important for any competitive exam you're preparing. And now why we are showing you this is because today something related to Latvia, the country which you see Latvia, related to that something is there in today August 21. Okay, and another thing, this painting everybody would have seen. Okay, this is the famous Mona Lisa painting by the Italian painter. You can tell he's not just a painter, he's a scientist, he's a very big personality in the European Renaissance timeline. You can tell Leonardo da Vinci. So he based on him movies are there and many things are there, Da Vinci Code and all, you can go and see. So it's a very important personality. This painting for you, maybe it looks very normal painting and all, but why it is popular? Because it is the most sold painting in the world. It is the most printed picture, most resold also, most articles have come based on it. Okay, even though we know in Indian ancient culture and all, we have a lot of Raja Ravi Varma paintings and many other Abhindranath Tagore paintings and all. Many paintings are which are much more complicated and very beautiful than this one. But this one is the most popular one. Okay, in world culture, this is the most popular one. Even in my house, this painting is there. Okay, in roadside, in streets, everywhere, the duplicate copy, you know, it will be sold everywhere. The original one, it is there in a museum in Paris and Italy. It keeps changing based on security reasons. So based on the Mona Lisa painting also, today's day has some significance. Okay, that is why I am showing you these two pictures. Now if we go to the detailing of today is two important days internationally. One is, it is the International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism. Okay, since 2017, this day is observed as the International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism. And also, it is World Senior Citizens Day since 1991. These are the two international days on August 21. Why I am teaching you all this? Because UPSC in the last 2-3 years is back-to-back asking this level of GK. When is World International Mother Language Day, and then when is the Indian Handloom Day? These are all pure GK. So if daily if I show you some things, maybe you will remember, okay, the sir taught me in around the month of August, he taught me around the month of December. So there is a tendency that you may be in the exam hall able to at least eliminate some options. Okay, that is why I am doing this. Else don't sit and by heart every day. Only when I show you this video, 2-3 minutes, just take it and then store it in your brain. Okay, then August 21, 1972 is the time when we launched our Wildlife Protection Act, WPA Act, based on which all animals, like we have tiger is in Schedule 1, elephant is in Schedule 1, then there are some less protected areas in animals in Schedule 2, then plants will be there in another schedule. So like we have different schedules where we put the protection category of different animals and plants. Okay, and first ever, the oldest law in Indian wildlife, you can tell, is in the 3rd century BC. Maybe in the world also it will be the oldest one. King of Magadha, Ashoka, put a law in place to preserve the wildlife and environment. Okay, he had this Ashoka pillars, he had this Ashoka rock edict and all, which again we have a table we will give to students. So in that table we have written what all things he popularized. So protection of wildlife was one of them. Okay. Then same day, August 21, 1980, the body PETA was found. PETA is People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. This PETA is not only a good body, but it's one of the most controversial bodies also, because they have like double standards also. Sometimes you can see, follow their page and you will see, okay, they force people to like become vegan and these things and all, but parallelly they will be sometimes putting like Eid Mubarak in their this thing, okay, where animals are being sacrificed. So they have double standards in most of the things, and so that is one of the most controversial things. Okay, those people don't allow any development to happen. Wherever something is going to happen, they will come and tell, okay, human rights, animal rights, environment rights, and then it's like anti-development kind of body. That's what I felt. It's my personal opinion. Okay, but maybe you may be liking this body, but I'm just telling, this is the day when it was formed. Okay, August 21, 1980, the PETA was formed. Then August 21, 1919, Latvia gets full independence from Soviet Union. Okay, so Latvia country I showed you in the map, Latvia gets full independence from Soviet Union. Soviet Union is USSR at that time, that is the bigger Russia, you can tell, and Russia broke up into many countries in 1991. So Latvia got full independence in this particular date. Actually, before that itself, in 1918, around October time, they had got the independence, but they declared full independence on this day. But the Independence Day is still celebrated on a different day. Okay, Independence Day is not August 21. August 21 is like an official announcement that, okay, we got full independence. But few months back in 1918, October, I think, they had a republic formation. That time, that date is considered as their official Independence Day. Okay, but this was the day when they announced full independence. Okay. So again, their singing revolution is one term in world history through which they got a peaceful peaceful independence, you can tell. And then Mona Lisa painting, which I told, it was stolen. It was stolen by its own employee in the museum, and he wanted actually to take it from Paris and go to the rightful city, Italy, because Italy is the place of Leonardo da Vinci. So he wanted to steal it from Paris and put it into Italy, and he was caught. So that historic thing happened in this particular day, August 21, 1911. Okay, so these are the important things for today. And again, if you want to learn all the current affairs of every month, you can enroll to individual packs up to last 5 years, 12 months of notes plus MCQ PDFs we have. You will get it in your email regularly, frequently every month. So if you want, you can WhatsApp me. And some people want a combo pack like 3 years, 5 years, 2 years and all. That also is available in different combo packs. Okay, you can simply WhatsApp me and get all the information. But still, I'm just telling you because the offer prices are running out. Okay, after a particular time, you will not get offers. You will have to pay the higher price. So please WhatsApp me and get information. Okay, so I'll wind up this video. Thank you and have a nice day.